We got 3 things we're gonna unbox here today. Okay. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we had a little bit of audio difficulties, obviously. But, we are back now. I'm sorry, I do not know how long the audio has been out, so I apologize. But anyway, this is the first item we unboxed. It is number 1 of 95, there, by Kaylee Hicks, A Walk in the Park. And as I said, I think it's hand numbered, but it's not signed by Kaylee Hicks anywhere I could see. And I think that's because I got this on the first day of the EPCOT Art Festival, and she hadn't been there to sign it yet. But hopefully she'll be coming out to California, and I can get her autograph right on that. All right, now, welcome if you're just joining us. Sorry about the audio issues. Now, let's see. We got one more thing in here. One more thing in this big box that you can't see. Thanks, Joshua. Appreciate it. Joshua heard me. Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, this is heavy. Ooh. All right, now, just give me one moment while I get rid of this big box. This cave that I'm broadcasting from is not a ginormous cave. Okay. So you saw me open up the other one. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna use the scissors here. Give me 1 second and I'll hold this up. I'm just getting it out of the big packaging, so it makes it easier to show. They really pack these up tight, but that's a good thing, because this got shipped all the way across the country, so I want to make sure that it's in good condition. Okay. 1 second, everybody, and I'll hold it up. Okay. I think I got most of the wrapping here. All right. Let me spin this around. Oh, it's still got some of the wrapping on the bottom here. All right, now this is, I don't have a lot of space. I can't back the camera up that far right now, but this is the brand new piece of artwork by Dave Perillo that was unveiled at the EPCOT Art Festival. Festival of the Arts. Sorry, Festival of the Arts. Now, let me see. I am making a big mess here. You cannot believe the mess that I am making. Here we go. We got this off the top. Now, unfortunately, I was the first person to buy one of these at the booth. Nobody else bought one. And this is number 4 of 95, as you can see right there, number 4 of 95. But you can see, again, these are not reviews, so if you're looking for me to review this, you're gonna have to stay tuned. But this is really nice. You know, it's a little nicer than I initially, not that I didn't think it was not nice, but I thought it was a little smaller, and it's actually bigger, and I like it a lot. So I gotta find a place. Look at the sunbonnets. Sunbonnet's faces are just great. All right, so this is awesome. This is the new artwork by Dave Perillo. And they're putting this on everything. I even saw that they're putting it on phone cases. I don't know if I need the phone case. I got the artwork, but we'll see, maybe. All right, I am making a big mess here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I think I'm gonna save this one for a second here. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, let me push. Wait till you see what's in here, ladies and gentlemen. You're not going to believe. Now, this box right here came all the way from Japan. That's right, Japan. So what could be inside? I don't know. We're going to open it. We're going to see. I like this. This is kind of cool. It's wrapped in newspaper that's all in Japanese. Oh, did you see that? Did you see what we got down here? Do you see this? Tokyo, I know there's a bit of a reflection. Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo Disney Resort. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Oh boy. This is a whole set of these little statues of the popcorn turners from Tokyo Disneyland. And as you can see right here, we got Henry and Sammy. And then this mystery one, well, that mystery one's easy to figure out. I'm sure you know who that is. Now, I'm gonna do a separate video where I open these, and I'm gonna do it right after I do this video, so you'll wanna stay tuned for that, or check it out on the channel. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video of all these, but I wanted to take them out and show them, because they're a lot of fun. They're really great. I'm super excited to crack into these and to open it. And it looks like in this box, very cool. My friend who sent it to me sent me some guide maps and stuff. And it's like some entertainment schedules and the like. Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo Disney Sea guide map. That's pretty awesome. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. There's always something from Tokyo. Tokyo always has the best stuff, Joshua. I don't know what to say. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to open this next thing. When you see this next thing, you're gonna okay, I gotta put this aside over here. That'll be a separate video. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is gonna be something really, really neat. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna move the comments on the screen down a little bit because I still want to see all the comments, but I want to leave room to show what this is. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is so heavy. This thing is so heavy. It was a box inside of another box, and this could quite be the heaviest piece of Country Bear memorabilia that I have come across. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to lift it up out of this box because I'm actually afraid. They kind of taped this box up. They kind of created a box. Oh, there's another box even inside. All right, hold on one second. I'm just going to move this down here. I'm going to carefully put the scissors away because I don't want anybody to get cut. Oh my gosh, I appreciate that they wrapped this up so nicely. I'm gonna have to tip this over. Wait till you see this. I guarantee this will be worth the wait. I guarantee it. And that's not a pun because it's so heavy, which it actually is. Woo! Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so heavy. This is what was inside that big heavy box. Let me see if I can get some scissors here. The good thing is, I know that I'm probably not gonna damage it with scissors. Any ideas of what this is? It's ginormously heavy. Oh, there's the back end of it. Oh, I gotta be careful this does not fall apart. Now I saw the, oh geez. Okay, I gotta be very careful with this. I do not want to damage this. Also, if it landed on my foot, that would be a bit of a pain. Okay, this is a mold. Oh, I'm getting this powdery stuff all over my paws. This is a mold to make ceramics. Now on the top here, it says, I don't know if you can see that, but it says Bernstein Bear with top hat, but that's not what this is. That's not what this is. I saw this on eBay. Ooh, This is the mold that was used in the 70s to make the Henry ceramic figures. Now, we reviewed that on the show here before. I have one of the ceramic figures in the box, but this is a mold that was used to make those ceramic figures. This is big, it is heavy, but it's also really, really cool. It looks like it could use a little cleaning up. I don't want this to fall. I'm so nervous it's gonna fall and break, and then, you know, that's gonna stink. That's gonna stink. But this is really awesome. There's the front, there's the back. You put them together, you pour the ceramic stuff in there, and you make yourself a little ceramic figure. I guess I could go into production for myself of making these. I would probably get a nice cease and desist letter from Disney pretty quickly, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. Let me see if I can lift this up. These are so heavy. I don't even know where I'm gonna store these. See, there's Henry with the guitar. Looks like he's got a little clay or something on his eye. Needs to be cleaned up. This is a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this. I don't know where I'm gonna store this because it is super heavy. It's not gonna fit on my shelves, and I don't think I would put it on a high shelf. But when I saw this pop up on eBay, I was like, I gotta get this. And so I did. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. That is a little unboxing. Now, I don't have anything else to unbox, but you know, it was pretty cool that that the two pieces of artwork were in the one box. So there you go. Reviews for all this stuff will be coming up shortly on the Country Bear Collector Show. And I am going to start another video where I unbox these, or I have my intern unbox these, so you can check that out as well. But that's going to do it for right now. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will join me in mere moments as I open the box from the Tokyo Disneyland Resort. All right, friends, thank you so much. I will talk to you soon.
If you enjoyed the show, give us a like and click the subscribe button. If you'd like to see the show continue, consider supporting Saturday Morning Media via Patreon at patreon.com/Saturday Morning Media. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.